Before we start looking at the main content of this course, I'd like to take a few moments for us to consider why marketing is so important to the success of your app, and then reflect on what would happen if you had a poor or no marketing plan whatsoever. Imagine you didn't have a marketing plan whatsoever. The end result would be no one or a very small number of people would actually find your app, install it and actually use it. All the time that you've spent building and testing your app would have been wasted especially from a commercial perspective. And you probably also spent a lot of money paying an app developer or development team to build your app for you. Or if you've developed the app yourself, then you spend a lot of time getting the app to a releasable product state. The hard fact is, if no one is finding and downloading your app, then you are not making any revenue. But the most important reason for me around marketing your app is that you'll be failing your potential customers and potential users. You might have a great idea, something that they would love and benefit from. But unfortunately, you're not allowing them to find it and then being able to use it. So over the next few lectures in this course, you will learn about the main components of a marketing plan and what it takes to drive targeted traffic to your app. So let's move on to the next lecture.